Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ryan Van Alstyne, and I am here on behalf of the North Saint Podcast to bring to you the inaugural episode, playing by myself and things are already going poorly, of Ryan Plays Games by Himself. Today's episode going to be the, I don't want to say critical darling, because I wanted to say something about the fact that it's, it's Lollipop Chainsaw. So you have your opinions on it, or you don't. But in an age where we've got your PS4s, your Xbones, a whole slew of new releases that just came out, including Far Cry 4, Dragon Age Inquisition, Super Smash Bros. For the Wii U, and Pokemon Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire. That's the one. Some of us can't afford any of those. And by some of us, I mean me. So, in an effort to continuously pump out some actual footage, with the idea of not being able to get a group of 2 to 3 people in the same room more than once, we're just going to start possibly doing some playthroughs with just yours truly. So of course we could think of what better place to start than the super female-empowered Lollipop Chainsaw. Now, not the first time I've played. I have played this before on my PlayStation 3, which actually, let's see, back in March or so, my apartment actually got broken into and my PlayStation 3 got stolen, including all of my PlayStation 3 games. So now we're going to be playing it on the Xbox 360. So try and avoid any sort of distractions due to achievement pops or anything else, because this will be the first time I've actually played through it on the Xbox 360. Apologize if my talking over this cinematic masterpiece of a cutscene is distracting anyone from what's going on. Juliet Starling taking a shower, talking about plot, talking about family, blah blah blah. Don't worry. He's probably about to get eaten by those zombies. Speaking of plot, this game has some pretty legendary. Oh God, she's totally late. She's never gonna make it in time. I think she was drinking Lollipop milk? So here we go. Opening cutscene. We don't... See, now, hard isn't going to happen. I don't really want to do it on normal, but that's just, par for the course. Especially because easy, it's 3 chickens. So we're going to stick with normal. See if there's anything I'm going to do. Vibration on. Let's turn subtitles on. That sounds about right. And without any further ado, let's get this rock and roll party started. Assuming, of course, it is a rock and roll party. It might be just a normal party. I wouldn't know. No one really invites me to parties. So if it's a normal rock and roll party, I'd be standing somewhere in the back, possibly by the big bowl of what I would hope would be snacks, preferably Doritos and Coke. Not that kind of Coke, but a nice Coca-Cola. All right, I am not. I don't think I'm controlling this. Nope, doesn't look like it. Otherwise, I would be failed miserably. Nope, I'm fine. All right, it's good. All right, what do we got? Got some zombies. Aw, dude. And I am, for some reason, carrying a sparkling chainsaw in my... I guess it doesn't make any sense why I have a sparkling chainsaw. It also doesn't make any sense why I was carrying a giant duffel bag. Although, there is no actual concern about the fact that there are undead douchebags everywhere. Couldn't have put it better myself. Yeah, we're dead. That's it. Game over. Juliet gets eaten by zombies. Oh, no, she's fine. Perfect. I'm sure that baby would love it. Here we are. Juliet, 18. Lollipops. Blah, blah, blah. Again, plot, plot, plot.
This is so
Does not really concern most people, but we're gonna go start chainsawing some. Oh, I guess first we're going to look at another loading screen. Oh, here we go. Okay, running, running, running. X for swing, or A for swing. Pom-pom attacks. Y for strong. B for jump. That's a bit discouraging, but here we go. And then we. Oh, that was a very quick. What kind of buttons do you have to press tutorial? Because it's already over. All right. Let's go kill some zombies, huh? Pom-pom bashes, Y for chainsaw attacks. Thank you. Ow. That didn't take very long to immediately get hit. Did I get him? Oh, look at that guy. What the hell? How are you not dead? Thank you. Oh, for God's sakes, you're not dead either? Got it. Alright. Oh, Morse. Jesus. I was already debating whether or not I should be playing this on normal. And the first 3 zombies, fucking Pompadour zombie over here. Those 2 obviously are twins. That's the only explanation for why they look exactly the same. It's fine though. They're all dead. Can I destroy these barricades? I feel like I want to destroy these barricades. I cannot. But there's a lady over there that needs my help. Nope. Nope. Thought I jumped in the fire. I did not. What up, girl? Oh. Couldn't even make it. Oh, Jesus. Alright, I'm sure they're fine. This guy needs my help, though. He needed my help. Kill zombie will tell. Oh. Okay. I thought he was already getting eaten. Oh, I need to kill 6 zombies. God damn it. Lollipop chainsaw. If I can beat Dark Souls. I should not be getting my ass kicked by zombies. There we go. Oh. I'll just stab him in the head. Oh, you're still alive? I'll pom. Can I pom-pom him to death? No, I can just pom-pom until he's stunned. He's dead. I saved you.
Awesome. I'm still alive.
Pretty zombie medals.
Thanks, kid. Really great work. See if you can get anyone else out.
Be careful.
Do you guys maybe want to try and save some people? No? Alright, I guess I'll just keep doing everything myself. Wasn't there...
Zombies suck dick at driving.
Why are there... Where did those medals come from? And why can I apparently not get to them? I'll just get on the bus. There's a lollipop on the bus. Probably don't want to eat a lollipop you find on the bus. That's too late. No. I feel like the way that I cut that door was not entirely indicative of the way that it fell off. But it really doesn't matter at this point. Okay, good. I was wondering if I was just about to start hacking at this thing for no gosh darn reason whatsoever. That's fine. If anyone has seen Maximum Overdrive, they will know the benefit of attacking soda machines.
Your license should be revoked.
How many buses... Oh, that sounds terrible.
Great. This isn't going to be as easy as I thought.
How many buses does this school have?
Don't be looking at my skirt.
Oh, that didn't take very long. Alright. Oh, there's another guy. Told me to kill 5 of them and they're... Oh, for God's sake, you're dead. There we go. We did it. Is another bus gonna blow up? These buses are very explosive. I feel like I could have done that on my own. Uh-oh.
Just don't move. I'll take care of them. No big whoop.
Alright. Thank you. I'm a little busy. Jesus. Screw you, Zambi. There we go. I got 3 zombies at the same time. Ow. And I got 3 zombies at the same time again.
Pop it!
Nailed it. Oh, and there's... I was hoping that was it. Oh gosh. Oh, we couldn't have killed them all at the same time just so I could get another bonus. Wait, who am I? Did the zombie attack give her amnesia? What's happening? I don't know, there were some weird sound effects going on while they were flying away. And all I can tell so far is, yeah, maybe it was a bad idea to play it on normal. Granted, I haven't... How do I do that? Noms. Okay. Wow. Wonder if that's a full... I don't like eggs. Someone's making eggs in my apartment right now. Everything smells like eggs. I'm not a big fan. So, zombie and his...
Come on, get away from me!
Alright, I'm coming.
Hold on, I'm coming!
Don't be pervy and look up. Now, I know there is an achievement for looking up her skirt. The real question is, as much as I love achievements, will I do it to get the achievement? Or a better question is, will I do it on the video to get the achievement, and then just try and deny that I did it in the first place? 6, 7... Can I help you? Whoop. I'm gonna pom-pom. Pom-poms. There we go. That might have killed him in the first place.
My favorite president is Warren G. Harding.
That's great. It's good. It's a lot of good news. Shit.
Save somebody's life.
Again, I've played this game before, but thankfully I've played a lot of Dynasty Warriors as well, so mashing the exact same button in order to kill things has never really been something I have been afraid to do, especially when I can pom-pom them with my cheerleader powers. There, I saved you again. What? See, at least it makes more sense to cut down the... Oh, pom-pom. How come it shows my pom-pom powers when all I did was kick? The school. Nothing bad will happen. Is that the school? Do I have to keep protecting him? Press right trigger to use. You might get lucky. Okay. Okay. Immediately killed 4 zombies in a row. There we go. Only 3. I feel like I got more than 3. See, I could have got 6. They apparently just were not standing close enough together. That's 25. Every time they basically do a slow-mo like this, I just assume another bus is going to explode. Is this guy still... I still have to protect this jerk? Yes, I'm well aware of that. It's fine, he's groggily running to safety. Or what I assume is safety. For God's sakes. How are you still alive? So apparently, when they fall on the ground, they are just like super indestructible. chick's been laying on the ground for like an hour. Alright. Screw you, traffic cones. Aha. And hide from me, tokens. Nom 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 nom. I eat tokens. She said she eats lollipops at the beginning of the video. I think what she really meant is she loves tokens. Let's see if it fully heals. It does. Yeah, mostly. There you go, 15 points. I saved all the chitlins. Bye. Okay, nah, he's fine. He's fine.
Oh no! He crashed over by the school and is probably dead.
He's fine. I'm sure he's okay though. Helicopters, man,
Just a second.
they're designed to handle something like that. Oh, my chainsaw phone is ringing. I'm sorry.
Juliet. Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid. Okay.
Oh, Mom. I won't do anything stupid. I will look for... Oh, I was just over there, right? Yep. I want something to come out of this garbage can. Screw it, fine. Can I get something to come out of the fire hydrant? Nope. There's some coins.
Wow, now is the perfect time to do
Coins
some
and a
shopping.
lollipop. Be careful. Locations are rare.
Time to shop.
Can we buy some awesome skills? No. Can we buy some health and upgrades?
What should I get?
What do these do? Increases health 10% permanently. I'm taking it. One lollipop. I don't want to buy a lollipop. We'll take
Let's go.
just the health upgrade. Use the chainsaw. Nope. Alright. We'll just kick everything. Screw you, golf cart. Okay.
Get out of my way. I'm in a hurry.
I'm still trying to meet my boyfriend, even though there are zombies everywhere. At least these are articulate zombies. You're telling me that female zombie right there, I could not have killed through. What are those two zombies doing? Just kind of chilling out? They were just like... nuzzling. Ooh. I got a golden lollipop. You can tell, because I can't control the camera, so it makes the most sense that there'd be secret things just off screen where I can't see them. I keep thinking A is jump, but this isn't a normal game, so A is not jump. Screw you, traffic cones. Nothing over there. Okay. Aha. Can I not jump up? No, it's fine. It's fine. Again, see that one? Okay, that one made sense. I'll give it credit for that. Am I just... It looked like I was just... Yep, pretty much literally on the other side. 26 zombies! Pom-pom these zombies until we can't pom-pom anymore. Not as effective as I was anticipating. Somehow using my pom-pom skills on these zombies did not work. Excuse me. There we go. Just shopping these zombies. Okay. I don't know why that would particularly bother me. But, you know, whatever. Okay, screw you. Stop it. Man. Do I get stun locked by a zombie? There we go. I'm gonna cut him right up the zombie dude. Okay, don't worry, one's on the ground, which means she'll be basically unkillable. See? Still going. Really? There was more of them? Pom-pom zombies. Clearly it's a 4-hit pom-pom combo. Fucking... I can't think of these... They're not hipster zombies. They're... God. Oh, it's gonna bother me. They are... God damn it. They are... I don't remember what the hell their name is. I'll think of it later. Rockabilly zombies. They are rockabilly zombies. Don't worry, guys. I figured it out. Rockabilly zombies. I appreciate all your help, though. And... yeah, screw you, recycling. That's why you don't recycle, because people just throw away coins. Oh, okay. Shoot him in the head. Bye. Alright. The phone's ringing. Ah, fuck. That was an accident. Oh, well, George is dead.
How can you be so cruel?
Well. Wish I wouldn't have accidentally done my sparkle time. But I did kill George. Alright. I did just kill George, so I might as well kill Jerry next. Oh, Jesus. That was a Seinfeld reference for anyone paying attention, which means hopefully I'll kill Elaine and then Kramer. It only seems to make sense. Can I just kill one of them? Ah, wait. Apparently not. Do I have a... Oh, I've got 3 of them. For some reason I assumed I had known. Nola. Okay, for God's sakes. How am I hitting the guy behind you and he's just like straight up kicking my ass over here? Alright, I gotta go. See, it's like, oh, he's harder to kill because he doesn't do anything to my hit animation. See, see, I'm hitting him and his animation is not stopping. Basically have to fucking Shadow of Mordor him. Okay, there we go. She kept trying to do the splits animation for like 20 minutes. At least I got him. But he's dead. How did he still make a sassy remark about testicles? The world may never know. Is there anything else I can destroy, get, do, go back and turn it on easy? Oh, that took 1 kick. Oh, that's right. We're trying to find her boyfriend. Something tells me he's in this cutscene.
Nick?
What's in the box, Nick?
Are you here?
What's in the box?
I need to come out. Nick? Oh, please.
Is that him? Yeah, looks like him. Oh, nope, that's somebody else. Oh, there he is. He's fine. Rocking and rolling on his own for no reason. Scramble all the way over here, and this dude's just kind of doing his thing. So, only when I intervened to save him did he actually need saving. He would have been fine if I just not run over here.
You okay, Juliet?
Yes,
He only got bit because I was trying to save him. Think about that. I can see that.
A little bit. I don't
He's
know
so
what that
smart.
Means. What does it mean?
It means he got bit by a zombie. You think, what does it mean? Just jack off.
I feel it in me. I'm gonna become one, huh?
Yes. No, see, she already knows.
Fuck.
No,
I'm screwing up your birthday, aren't I?
there's no reason
I'm
to
sorry,
use that kind of
Juliet.
language, Nick. It does not matter if
I
you
don't
just
wanna
got bit by
fuck
a
up your
zombie.
birthday.
Said it again.
Birthday? Don't worry about that. That's the dumbest thing ever.
Well, he is dying right now, so you might want to try and be a little bit nicer.
Listen,
I mean, it's fine.
I know it's stupid. We just started getting serious, but
It is stupid.
I wanted you to know. I know I've never said it or anything, but I kind of sort of, you know, love you.
Oh, I like you, but I don't like
I fucking love it.
like you. Now is when she tells him that she likes him, she loves him as a friend.
No.
Oh,
There's something we can try.
is there?
It's the only chance we have to save you.
I'm open to suggestions.
What the fuck?
I love you too, baby.
And chops his dick off on accident. Sunrise, sunset.
Well,
Oof. I get a D for zombie medals.
Sweet.
cool.
I'd like to think I got a fair amount of zombie. I guess I'm not sure. Was it because I didn't do enough sparkle hunting? I'm gonna blame it on the sparkle hunting. That seems like the fairest assumption.
Check, yes, Juliet, are you with me? Rain is falling down on the side.